patio. Here's the front patio. And again, same principle, same product. This one here is a 1/4 inch. It's called the Marble Collection. Looks like stone, like a gray stone. But you can see nice sheen. I can take the sheen off if you want it to finish, but the sheen looks nice all the time. Super easy to clean. Texture on the feet is great. Not super hard, non-slip.